The SWLing Post has reviewed over 200 shortwave radios. NEWO runs laboratory-grade sensitivity tests that manufacturers actually fear. Radio J. Allen has spent decades doing head-to-head receiver comparisons. These experts don't always agree, but when they do, you should pay attention. Here's what their combined testing reveals. Not every portable shortwave radio is built the same, and spending more money doesn't always mean better performance. After cross-referencing their test results, forum discussions from serious geeksers, and thousands of verified user experiences, these are the 6 best portable shortwave radios worth your money right now. All the product links are in the description below. Stay until the end because number 1 earned its spot for reasons that might surprise you. Starting our list at number 6 is the Tecsun PL330, a radio that proves great things really do come in small packages. This ultralight-sized receiver weighs just about 210 grams, making it perfect for travelers and anyone who needs a reliable grab-and-go shortwave solution. Radio expert Jay Allen conducted side-by-side tests and found the PL330 performed comparably to much larger radios on shortwave, with sensitivity that genuinely surprised even seasoned listeners who expected less from something this compact. What makes this radio special is its loaded feature set at this price point. You get single sideband capability with 10 Hz tuning resolution, synchronous detection for fighting fading, and external antenna support on all bands including medium wave. That last feature is huge because very few portable radios let you hook up an external antenna for AM reception. Dan Robinson from the SWLing Post called it essentially a PL990X in miniature, noting it can do almost everything its bigger brother does while fitting in your shirt pocket. The DSP chipset handles weak and crowded signals with impressive grace, and the Easy Tuning Mode Plus feature lets you scan and store active frequencies automatically based on time of day. Battery life is solid thanks to the efficient BL5C rechargeable cell that charges right inside the radio via USB. The main drawback mentioned by multiple reviewers is the recessed tuning knob that makes rapid finger tuning difficult. But for around $80, you're getting a seriously capable shortwave radio. At number 5, we have the XHDATA D-808, a radio that's become something of a legend in the shortwave community since its original release. Expert reviewer 13DKA conducted detailed testing at a low-noise coastal location in Germany and found this radio matches or beats receivers costing twice as much in raw sensitivity. His conclusion was straightforward. The D-808 packs features and performance into a compact package that nobody else has managed to replicate at this price. What you get here is full coverage of FM with RDS, AM shortwave, longwave, and aviation band, plus SSB for listening to ham radio operators and utility stations around the globe. The filter selection is particularly impressive with multiple bandwidth options that let you carve out signals from crowded bands. Radio testers have noted the DSP filtering rivals some desktop receivers costing several times more. The fine-tuning dial on the side gives you precise control for SSB listening without the usual frustration of overshooting frequencies. The D-808 has gone through several hardware revisions over the years. Radio J. Allen tested the 2023 version and confirmed XHDATA fixed the residual hiss issue from earlier production runs while updating to USB-C charging for modern convenience. Sound from the 1-watt speaker is better than expected for a radio this size, with decent bass response. Some users have reported the AM band performance dropped slightly in newer versions, but shortwave sensitivity remains excellent across the board. At around $100, this radio represents serious value for money. Coming in at number 4 is the Eaton Elite Executive, a radio that's been quietly impressing listeners with its professional-grade features, wrapped in a handsome vegan leather case. Blog or Die reviewer. Kevin tested this alongside Tecsun models and found the shortwave sensitivity to be right on par with the competition. Where this radio really shines is its outstanding display readability in any lighting condition and FM RDS implementation, which automatically sets the clock from broadcast signals, so you never have to worry about timekeeping. The Elite Executive covers AM, FM, long-wave, shortwave, and VHF aircraft band with a PLL dual conversion design that keeps your tuning accurate and drift-free. You get 700 programmable memory stations, synchronous detection for reducing fading distortion on distant broadcasts, and SSB capability for amateur radio monitoring. The build quality feels substantial and reassuring in your hand, and the included leather case provides genuine protection during travel or outdoor use. Forum members on Radio Reference put this radio through extensive real-world testing and reported strong reception on airband that leaves some competitors way behind. Battery life is excellent since it runs on 4 AA cells, and quality alkaline batteries last for months of daily use. The main criticism from reviewers is that the speaker output could be more impressive given the case size. Prices have dropped significantly lately, with some sellers offering brand new units around $50 or less. At that price point, the Elite Executive becomes an absolute steal for anyone wanting premium features without premium cost. Number 3 goes to the C-Crane Skywave SSB 2, what the experts affectionately call the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. Thomas from the SWLing Post has taken this radio on countless trips across multiple continents and calls it his definite choice for everyday carry and travel because nothing else packs this much capability into such a tiny footprint. We're talking AM, FM, shortwave, no AA weather with automatic alerts, and scannable VHF aviation band, all in something that weighs under 7 ounces with batteries installed. The SSB2 version brought significant improvements over its predecessor that really matter. You now get a dedicated external shortwave antenna jack that dramatically improves reception with longer antennas or when you're indoors. J. Allen tested this feature extensively and confirmed the improved circuitry eliminated FM breakthrough issues that plagued earlier production models. The SSB tuning is accurate to 10 Hz resolution, making it legitimately usable for tracking ham radio conversations and monitoring utility signals. What really sets this radio apart is its serious emergency preparedness value. The weather alert function constantly monitors no AA channels and sounds an alarm when warnings are issued for your area, even when the radio is otherwise off. Multiple reviewers have praised C-Crane's responsive customer support, noting they're a US-based company that actually stands behind their products with real warranties. Audio quality through headphones is excellent, though the small internal speaker means you won't get room-filling sound. At around $170, you're paying for American company support and genuinely unique band coverage. Taking the number 2 spot is the Tecsun PL880, a radio that's been wowing listeners since 2013 and still holds its own against newer competition without breaking a sweat. The SWLing Post's Thomas published his original review over 11 years ago and recently confirmed he'll never let his unit go. The reason is simple and compelling. The PL880 produces some of the best audio you'll hear from any portable shortwave radio on the market, period. That killer sound comes from a sealed active and passive speaker system paired with Class AB amplification that really lets broadcast audio breathe. Expert Dave at N9EWO documented the outstanding audio quality on AM and FM broadcast in his detailed technical review, calling it remarkably clean for a radio in this size and price class. The dual-up conversion design combined with DSP filtering gives you excellent selectivity with bandwidth options up to 9 kHz for wide, room-filling reception of music programming. Tecsun updated this model in 2024 with USB-C charging for modern convenience, though the internal circuitry appears unchanged from proven earlier versions. You get full coverage of FM, long wave, medium wave, and short wave up to 29999 kHz, plus SSB capability for ham radio listening. The massive 3050 memory stations let you organize your favorite frequencies across multiple pages for easy access. Forum users consistently praise the solid build quality and responsive keyboard for direct frequency entry. The main limitation is SSB audio quality, which multiple testers note suffers from distortion compared to the excellent AM performance. For pure broadcast listening, though, nothing in this price range sounds better. Expect to pay around $200, and claiming the number 1 spot is the Sangean ATS909X2, the radio that serious shortwave listeners keep recommending above everything else when asked what they'd buy with their own money. Dave at N9EWO conducted extensive laboratory-grade testing and concluded it performs excellently for a portable receiver, with outstanding sensitivity across all bands and very good dynamic range that handles long outdoor antennas without overloading or distorting. That last point is absolutely crucial, because most portables completely fall apart when you connect serious external wire antennas. The ATS909X2 represents the 3rd generation of Sangean's flagship portable line, and they've clearly refined nearly everything based on years of user feedback. Radio J. Allen ran head-to-head comparisons with multiple competitors and found the new model shows noticeably improved shortwave whip sensitivity compared to earlier versions. The audio quality is crisp and dynamic, especially on stronger signals where cheaper radios tend to sound muddy. You get 5 bandwidth selections that automatically optimize for signal conditions, and the SSB mode produces remarkably clean demodulation without the nasty distortion plaguing many DSP-based radios at this price point. Build quality is exceptional with above-average tactile keyboard response and a sturdy whip antenna that won't bend over on first use like cheaper competitors. The 1674 station presets with 3 memory banks give you massive storage flexibility, and the added airband coverage provides bonus utility for aviation enthusiasts. Forum members on Radio Reference consistently call it the best all-around performer at any price for portable shortwave listening. At around $300, it's the most expensive radio on this list, but the performance absolutely justifies every penny for anyone serious about the hobby. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, like, subscribe, and share. Check the description for links, comment with your experiences, and enjoy better listening wherever your radio takes you next.